Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your teacher from Nursery KG Wing Model Town DPS. Hopefully you are enjoying your summer vacations. Look at my whiteboard. It says shapes. You can find them everywhere. Can you wave hello to our shape friends on the floor? We have a bouncy balloon, a tall triangle, a strong square, a happy circle, and a friendly egg. They are so excited to meet you. Students, in last video we learned about these shapes. Today we will learn about shapes with the help of shape song. Please sing with me. Let us some shapes, let us some shapes, baby you and me, baby you and me. Three sides, three corners, three sides, three corners. Can you see? Can you see? This is a triangle. This is a triangle. What objects can you see? What objects can you see? Tent, birthday cap, sailboat. Four equal sides and four corners. Can you see? Can you see? This is a square. This is a square. What objects can you see? What objects can you see? Window, clock, pillow. Two long sides, two short sides, and four corners, and four corners. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. What objects can you see? What objects can you see? Tissue box, book, mobile phone. Round and smooth, round and smooth, with no corners, with no corners. I am a circle, I am a circle. What object can you see? What objects can you see? Buttons, donuts, lollipop. Squeeze a circle, squeeze a circle. Can you see? Can you see? Now I am an oval, now I am an oval. What objects can you see? What objects can you see? Potato, watermelon, balloon. That's great, students. Hope all you are enjoying. I am so proud of you. Keep smiling, keep learning, and see you next time. Allah Hafiz.